How to remove skin tags naturally at home. Have you begun to notice a small extra flap of skin that wasn't there a few years ago? It's called a skin tag, and though they're not malignant and you shouldn't worry about health risks, they can certainly be annoying. Many times they're hidden by clothing or undergarments, which is more pleasant than when they're noticeable. However, your favorite sweater or top might just rub that poorly placed skin tag the wrong way, causing you more discomfort than you're used to. You could consider having the skin tag removed by your dermatologist. It could be rather expensive that way. Instead, consider using a more natural, yet slower method of skin tag removal that you could perform in your own home. It won't involve any incisions, freezing techniques, or even a trip to the doctor's office. The best part of this proven method is that it doesn't involve any pain. With raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar, you can safely remove that unwanted lesion at the base of your neck. It's a great method because the acid is strong enough to remove the skin tag without doing any harm to the surrounding skin. Here's the recipe. Simply dab a cotton ball into a small amount of apple cider vinegar and rub it onto your skin tag. Apply the treatment 3 times per day, morning, noon, and evening. Eventually you'll notice a change in the tone of the skin tag. Shortly thereafter, it will dry up and fall off.